Andrew, would you like to play a game?
Okay. What kind of game?
Let's play cards. Do you know how to play blackjack?
Yes, that's an easy game. I don't want to play that right now.
Okay. Do you remember how to play poker?
I think so, but you're going to have to explain the rules to me again.
Okay. Look at this piece of paper. It has all the rules on it.
Okay, yes, I remember now. I think the last time we played this game, you won, and I lost.
Yes, that was fun.
Okay, let's play. But this time I don't want to bet money.
Okay, we won't bet. We'll just play for fun.
Hello? Marriott Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation.
Just a moment. Okay. For what date?
July 25th.
How many nights will you be staying?
2 nights. What's the room rate?
$75 a night, plus tax. Would you like me to reserve a room for you?
Yes, please.
Your name?
Nancy Anderson.
Miss Anderson. How will you be paying?
Visa.
Card number, please.
4198-2289-3388-228.
Expiration date?
1/9/2012.
Okay, you're all set. We'll see you on the 25th.
Good evening.
Hi. Do you have any vacancies tonight?
Yes, the rate is $55.
Do the rooms have internet access?
We have wireless. If you have a computer, you can use the wireless network for an additional $5.
Okay, I'd like a room, please.
Would you like a smoking or a non-smoking room?
Non-smoking.
How will you be paying?
Visa. Here you are.
How many people?
2.
Would you like a king-size bed or 2 double beds?
King size, please.
You're in room 237. It's on the 2nd floor. Here's your key. Sign here, please.
What time is checkout?
11:30.